I want to share with you in today's video that I have made $116,000 this month from a single affiliate program. As many of you know, this is not my primary source of income. Rather, it is simply an addition that we receive as a bonus at the end of the month, which is pretty cool. As of right now, I have $782 in my account. Yesterday, it was $11,000. Because we made $16,000 this month alone from just one affiliate program. As a result, I want to take you through every step of the process and demonstrate how you can profit from affiliate marketing without having a website, without spending any money, without having a YouTube channel, and without having any followers on social media. And let's start with step number 1 now, especially if you're just starting out and want to know how to actually collect the money that you make through these affiliate programs, because, to be honest, making money online is easy, but using that money to multiply and make even more in the future is kind of hard, as well as just maintaining the revenue that you are getting from these different methods. So, you can make money online from anywhere in the world, even as a complete beginner who has never made a single dollar before. With side projects that we discussed on the channel, Smart is one way that you can get money. It's a digital bank account that you can have for free anywhere in the world. All you have to do is sign up. You can do it with PayPal or Wise. The affiliate program I was using only paid out through PayPal. However, I am aware that not many nations have access to PayPal. So even though they claim you can do it anywhere in the globe, if PayPal is not available in your country, if it's not available in your region, you can search for Wise alternatives or Pale alternatives using Wise or anything else that is available there. You can then sign up for free to begin collecting the money you earn from these endeavors. The next step is to identify the affiliate program you wish to recommend. I mentioned IQ in the video's introduction, and that's how I was able to make $166,000 this month. To find new affiliate programs, however, you can simply visit marketplaces like Digistore. Although I think Digistore is a very shady platform with very bad offers listed on there, Digistore may be a good website, but only 1% of the offers are actually good. To validate an offer, you simply go to the marketplace section and look at the metrics. If, for instance, you see that the cart or conversion rate is 8%, but the cancellation rate is 14%, then that offer is bad. Since customers are returning so many items due to the poor conversion rate of 16% and the 16% cancellation rate, since these deals typically don't live up to the sales page. Nevertheless, I'll use this one as an example, and you can obviously promote any other offer. I didn't advertise deals from Digistore, but because I am aware that it is accessible everywhere, let's just use it as an example. Here, we may convert Ker money to US dollars. Additionally, there are several resources available to assist with weight loss. For instance, this keto snack cookbook may help someone start a diet and lose weight quickly. And it will pay me $7 for each referral I make right now. Click here to get my affiliate link. To become an affiliate, I would first need to sign up for a free account with my public username, email address, password, and select the option. After that, I would need to accept their privacy policy and click Continue. However, most of the time, all you have to do is click one button to copy your affiliate link, which will be copied immediately. The next step is to go to YouTube and look for viral videos that address specific issues related to the offer you are promoting. If I were promoting the Wike app, which helps users get views and subscribers, I would look up on YouTube how to get views and subscribers quickly. In this case, though, I'm promoting an offer from Digistore Marketplace, which helps users get six-pack apps and lose weight, so I can look up how to get a six-pack. Next, I want to filter this search results by view count, as that will show me the most popular videos for getting a six-pack quickly. Here's a video that has received 500 million views. It's ridiculous. I can now access this video and press the share button. While that's going on, I'm going to Google and look for YouTube thumbnail grabber because we want to download the YouTube thumbnail for that YouTube video. After selecting Get a Thumbnail, you can download a YouTube thumbnail to your computer by simply pressing a button. The next step is to visit Medium.com, a platform that allows you to share blog articles and receive traffic from both Google and Medium. Because these articles can rank highly, you can also get traffic from Google. Click the Write button to begin writing your article. To return to ChatGPT, simply copy the article's title. In this instance, the topic will be how to get abs quickly. I'll paste that here, and then I'll copy and paste the entire article so that we have the introduction here. If you'd like, you can also rewrite the article to make some changes and add the thumbnail. To do so, simply click the ADD image button. After that, I can go back and copy and paste the entire article. I can copy this with a single button click and paste it into Medium.com and cut out any unnecessary parts, like this one here. I can also have the conclusion and have everything written down. I'll cut out the introduction once more and this one as well. It's not necessary, so just personalize it a little. And in between these lines, you can, of course, create a really cool and persuasive call to action that will encourage people to click on your affiliate link. You just need to highlight that section, make it bold, and insert your affiliate link. While someone is reading this article, you can do this with any affiliate program. It's not necessary to use Digistore24. In my experience, faceless YouTube automation is the best way to drive traffic to any offer because you can create a channel where you don't show your face and don't record anything with a camera. These channels can garner tens of thousands of views and can help you get free traffic, but can also generate hundreds of dollars for you as a bonus for promoting your links for free. I sincerely hope you found this step-by-step lesson helpful. If so, please click the like button and let me know what you think of the tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in some of the upcoming ones.